Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure PostgreSQL 17.4 on Debian 12 operating systems. But the process is same on all Debian operating systems. First open any web browser. Then go to PostgreSQL official website, that is postgresql.org. Hit enter. Then click on download. Then select Linux. Scroll down. Then select Debian. See here, PostgreSQL apt repository method, and PostgreSQL apt repository supports current versions of Debian 12.11.10. Okay, and these are the supported architectures. Okay, so I'm on Debian 12. So copy these commands one by one and execute to install the PostgreSQL 17. Copy it, open terminal, paste it, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter, type A for confirmation and hit enter. Then install this pgdg, paste it, hit enter, Ctrl A. Now import this repository signing key, paste it, hit enter. It is done. Now run these commands, these both statements, that is creating repository configuration file. Copy both the lines, first one and second one, paste it, hit enter. Now update the packages, sudo apt update, hit enter. Ctrl A. Now install the PostgreSQL server. Sudo apt install PostgreSQL. If you want to install 17, give 17. If you want to install 16, give 16. If you want to install 15, give 15. I want to install latest version, so don't give any version number. It will install the latest version of the PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, it is going to install. The latest version is PostgreSQL 17. So type A for confirmation, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed PostgreSQL 17, and see here the default parameters like max connection limit set to 100, shared buffers to 120, and this is the default time zone, okay, etc. information. And this is the data directory. Okay, Ctrl A. Now verify the status of the PostgreSQL service. Sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. Hit enter. See, PostgreSQL is active and running, and it is enabled. Now connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server, but see the version 17.4. This is not the PostgreSQL server version, it is just PSQL client version. So to verify the version of the PostgreSQL server, we have to run the command select version. See, version of the PostgreSQL server is 17.4. Q to quit, Ctrl A. Now verify the list of the users, DU. So we have only one user, that is Postgres, which is the super user. The first step after connecting to PostgreSQL server is we have to set the password for this super user. So alter user Postgres with password, then provide the new password. Whatever is a singular double quotes, it is the password. Hit enter. Okay, you can also get the list of the users by running the command username from pg_user. See, we have only one user. Okay, now verify list of databases. See here we have these default databases that comes with PostgreSQL installation. You can also get the same. Select dat name from pg_database. See, these are the default databases. Let's create a database. Create database. Now verify the same. See, new database is created. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the \c or \connect. Either is same. Then provide the database name Now see here, you are now connected to the database bank as user Postgres. Okay, and also see here, before it was Postgres, now name change it to bank. Also verify list of tables. See, we don't have any tables or relations. Let us create a table. Create. See, we have created a table in public schema, and this is the owner. Control A. Now insert some data into this table. Verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay, now we will see how to create user and connect with the user to the PostgreSQL server. So, you create user. Now exit from PostgreSQL by using \q. Now connect with this new user. PSQL hyphen Q must be caps. New username is James hyphen H localhost, because PostgreSQL server is installed on this PC. Then hyphen D, provide the database name Postgres. Then provide the password of this James user. See, this is the password. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. See, we have successfully connected to PostgreSQL server with the user James. Now verify the current user. Select current underscore user. See, we have connected to PostgreSQL server with the user James. Okay. Now exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL server on Debian 12 operating systems. Also exit from this Postgres user. Control A, sudo systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, it is started. Control A. Let us stop. Sudo systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is inactive or dead. Q to quit. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su hyphen Postgres. PSQL. See, we are unable to connect because PostgreSQL server is stopped. So start it again. You cannot start with this Postgres user. So exit from this Postgres user. Sudo systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Verify the status. See, PostgreSQL is started 2 seconds ago. Q to quit. Also verify by trying to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su. See, we are able to connect. Okay. Exit from this user. If you want to restart, just give sudo systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. We have successfully restarted. See, we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Q to quit. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install and configure PostgreSQL Server 17.4 on Debian 12 operating systems. But the process is same on all Debian operating systems. Okay. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.